arrived first thing this morning at our dispatch centre are our new Queen's Beast coins. This is the first time we've actually seen the coins themselves, so we thought we would introduce them to you in the normal way by letting you share with us the pleasure of opening the box and seeing what's inside. This of course is the 2020 Bullion Queen's Beast White Lion of Mortimer. This happens to be the box containing the 2-ounce silver coins. So let's have a little look. This is how the actual boxes arrive when they're distributed to us from the raw mint. And there we go. Let's get inside. These boxes contain a total of these tubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4's 20 tubes, and in each tube is 20 coins, 10 coins. So there are 200 in each of these. Let's have a little look. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, beautiful finish to these new Queen's Beast Lion of Mortimer 2020 silver 2-ounce bullion coins. I have to say, I think this particular coin looks a great deal better in person than it does on the photographs that we've seen. The photographs I felt were a little disappointing, but these do look superb when you see them. Now, just as they used to say, for your delectation, we happen to have the gold coins have arrived at the same time. So we have the quarter beasts. These come in tubes of 25 pieces, and the 1 ounce come in a tube of 10 pieces. It's always good for you to see how we receive the items. These are freshly unpacked. So if I pop a couple of these quarter beasts here for you to have a look at, and the 1 ounce, which probably gives you a better view of the quality of the coin itself. Now, as you can see, with the tubes, the coins are stacked on top of each other. They are a bullion coin at the end of the day. This is how the raw mint decide to send them out to us. You can see that's how they arrive with us. We simply take the coins out of the tubes and then distribute them to yourselves. I'll just let you have a closer look at the gold one. Really is very, very lovely coin. So for those of you that have already pre-ordered, thank you so much. These will be on their way shortly to you once we begin distribution, and they will actually be physically in stock more than likely towards the end of this week, the beginning of next week, once we've got rid of the backlog of all the orders that people have kindly placed with us. Thank you very much indeed, and we'll look forward to speaking to you again next time.